Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your profile photo on the messaging app Signal. First, let's open the app. Then you're going to click on your profile name or your profile photo in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you'll click on your name. And there you'll see the option to change the picture. And you can select to go into your photo library, or you can take a fresh picture now with your camera. You simply go into photo library. Let me give it access. Just give me a second. And you go back into the app. Go into photo library. You can see there. Simply select the photo. Then press done. And that's it. Then you'll press save in the top right hand corner. And that's it.